Hi guys, welcome to Marcy's Cena channel. Today guys, I'm going to make some breadfruit punch. I'm going to use Supligen inside of it, a small amount of salt and nutmeg, milk, rum, and Jamaican stout and vanilla. Stay tuned. So guys, this breadfruit is very big. For the punch, I'm going to use half of it. So guys, as you can see, I cut it up in small pieces. So guys, when I cut up in small pieces, it's easier to be cooked. So guys, I finished peel it. So guys, now it's time for me to put it on to be cooked. So guys, it's time for me to get it into the water or it start boiling up. And guys, you can allow it to cook for 20 minutes. So guys, it's almost ready. Yes, the next 3 to 4 minutes, we're going to remove the flame from underneath it. So guys, it's time for me to remove the flame. As you can see guys, it's cooked. So guys, it's time for me to remove the flame and to allow it to be cool for 10 minutes, because the same water what boil the breadfruit is the same water going to make the punch. So guys, remember to wash your breadfruit before you cook it. So guys, it's time for me to start with the blend. So I'm going to get in the breadfruit first. And guys, you can't put in everything one time. So this is going to take a 2 blend. I'm going to go ahead now and put in the water inside of it. So guys, we're going to show the first blend. And guys, look on it. So guys, so thick and look nice. So guys, we're going to put away this. And guys, we're going to go again and blend. So guys, we're going to hold the plate and just finish trace out inside of it. So guys, we're going to blend again. So guys, we're going to throw the second blend. We're going to go ahead and make our punch, guys. Look at it, guys. Hold on, guys. We're going to scrape it out. Can't make it waste at all. I'll get my spoon and scrape it out. So, guys, look at it. Kind of motor slime. This is very good for your body, you know, guys. Guys, so guys, now it's a showdown, you know, guys. Now we're going to make the real punch. So guys, I'm going to put in not all of it, but half of the Jamaican stout. And guys, I'm going to put in all of the Supligen inside of it. Can you imagine? It smells so nice and the rum not put in it yet. Oh my god. So guys, I'm going to put a small amount of salt inside of it. So guys, you know you don't have any belly pain. And I'm going to put all of mine on egg inside of it. I'm going to put about a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla inside of it. And guys, I'm going to put about a teaspoon and a half of white rum. And guys, I never mentioned the rose water inside of it, but I'm going to put some rose water also inside of it. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of rose water. And guys, you cannot leave out the great tin milk. So guys, I'm going to sweeten it before I finish putting the milk inside of it. I don't want it to over sweet. Guys, when you're done and buckle up this and put it in the fridge now, guys. When you stay for the next day, guys, I don't want this to finish. When you drink it, guys, I feel it going right through your body. Good Jamaican punch. Our great white rum inside of it. So guys, I'm going to taste it and tell you what it wants. Hope you don't want anything else, guys, but whatever I want, I'm going to put it inside of it. Guys, you want a little more dragon stout inside of it and more milk. You can taste the white rum inside of it, but you want a little more dragon stout. So I'm going to chew more dragon stout and I'm going to put some more milk inside of it. So guys, I'm going to taste it again and see what it wants. Guys, I can feel it running right down to my stomach. Guys, this don't want anything else. I'm just going to cool and have it. Guys, at home, guys, just try and make it, guys. Guys, it's very nice. And guys, when I'm drinking it, I'm going to remember you guys. So just drink with me, guys, and enjoy.